What is up, you guys? It's your girl Chanel.Janai from around the way. Hey, and in today's video I want to show you a really extremely quick hairstyle that you can pull off if you happen to be in a rush somewhere, got somewhere to go at the last minute, and you need something to do with your hair and your hair is actually a mess. Sis, listen to me. Come in close, lend me your ear, and let me help you out. The style that I'm going to be showing you can be created with less than $50. This is a half wig synthetic hair. The brand is Red Carpet Premier, and it was $24.99. So for $25 I pulled off this look. The curl pattern looks really natural, and it feels really good, and it's nice and big, and look, it just looked good. Like, okay. So I'm going to show you how I finesse this wig, and I'm going to show you a few other ways that you can wear it, some other cute styles that you can pull off with it. You know what I'm saying? You know. What's up, y'all? I just wanted to show y'all how my hair looks blowing in the wind. Everything still looks natural, and you can also see it in the sunlight. Gotta excuse me for a minute, getting in the car. Take a good look right now. You can see, once you figure out which style you want to go with out of all the styles that I've shown you, that's when I would take the gel and actually put your style in place. That's why in the styles that you see me showing you guys, I had my hair still loose and straight, because I didn't want it to stay in that same style the whole time. So now that I know that I want to wear my hair like this, I put gel in my hair, and what I did was I took my actual hair, you can see right here is a bobby pin, I bobby pinned it so that it stays out the way, so even when the wind blows you don't see my hair, my straight hair, and just pretty much fluffed it out, so you see when the wind blows you don't see much. And I gelled my edges in place, and that is the final look. And that is it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Everybody's been thinking that this is my hair going out of my scalp. That's what they've been thinking, okay? So y'all can achieve this look too within like 10-15 minutes. So yeah, I hope that you enjoyed it. Thanks for so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a huge thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Show me some love, show me some support. And oh, my bad. And I will see you guys later with another video.